Are you tired of being tethered to a power outlet while working on your DIY projects or home repairs? Say goodbye to restrictive cords and hello to freedom with the best cordless drill set. In this video, we'll explore the top cordless drill sets on the market, each offering versatility, power, and convenience for all your drilling and driving needs. So, watch the full video and check the description for more details. Number 1 is Litheli Cordless Drill Set. The Litheli Cordless Drill is a versatile and powerful tool, perfect for home and DIY projects. With an 18+1 position clutch, it delivers 220 pounds peak torque, ensuring precise control for drilling and driving screws. The 3x8-inch keyless chuck allows for easy bit replacement, and the variable speed and forward/reverse control make it suitable for various applications. The 2.0-amp battery and fast charger provide efficient power, while the ergonomic design and lightweight build minimize user fatigue during extended use. The built-in LED light adds visibility in dark spaces, enhancing overall convenience. Number 2 is Deko Pro 20-volt Cordless Drill Set. The Deko Pro 20-volt Cordless Drill Set is a powerful tool designed for drilling in wood, metal, ceramics, and plastic. With 2 variable speeds and 18+1 torque settings, it offers versatility for different tasks. The compact and lightweight design, weighing only 2.5 pounds, enhances portability. The inclusion of a 20V 1.5-amp lithium-ion battery ensures long-lasting power, making it a reliable choice for various applications. Number 3 is Workpro 20-volt Cordless Drill. The Workpro 20-volt Cordless Drill is a perfect gift for occasions like Christmas, birthdays, and anniversaries. Powered by a max 20V motor, it delivers strong and steady power, supported by a 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery with an enduring runtime. The 18+1 adjustment torque allows for precision, and the variable trigger offers flexibility in speed selection. The ergonomic handle, LED light, and quick charging capability make it a convenient and efficient tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 4 is Hoto Cordless Brushless Drill. The Hoto Cordless Brushless Drill stands out with its innovative design and features. The LED display screen provides a digital torque adjustment, and the 30 Nm high torque ensures powerful performance. The USB-C charging feature, a rarity in drills, adds modern convenience. With a compact size, lightweight design, and durable brushless motor, this drill is suitable for one-hand operation, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The minimalist and award-winning design make it a stylish and functional choice for DIY projects. Number 5 is Rida 20-volt Cordless Drill. The Rida 20-volt Cordless Drill is an excellent gift option for the new year. With a half-inch metal chuck, 2 variable speeds, and a 25+1 position clutch, it offers versatility for various applications. The 355 In-lbs max torque ensures powerful performance, and the 2000 mAh battery with a 1-hour fast charger provides reliable and efficient power. The built-in LED light and belt clips enhance user convenience, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and dyers.